Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to create a login page in Wix. Whether you're building a private community or a gated software portal, these steps relate perfectly to each other to help you manage your site members securely. First, you need to ensure the Members Area app is installed. Go to your editor, click the plus icon to add elements, select Community, and drag the login bar into your header. This step is essential because it gives your visitors a clear place to sign in from anywhere on your site. Next, we're going to move from the default pop-up to a custom login experience. Click on the Pages and Menu icon on the left and select Sign Up and Login. You'll see an option for the Member Login form. Click the drop-down menu and change it from Default to Custom Form and hit Add to Site. This relates directly to your brand because it allows you to move away from a generic look and design the form from scratch to match your specific colors and fonts. The next connected step is the design and configuration. Once the custom login form is added, click on it and select Edit Custom Login Form. Here, you can click on any individual field to change the placeholder text or the button style. If you want to allow people to sign in with Google or Facebook, make sure those social login elements are enabled in the form settings. One professional tip in 2026, make sure your forgot password link is clearly visible, as it is the most used element on any login page. Finally, you need to set the permissions. Go back to your site member settings in the dashboard to decide who can actually log in. You can set it so anyone can join automatically, or you can require manual approval for every new member. Once you're happy with the flow, hit publish and test the login yourself in an incognito mode to make sure the redirect takes you exactly where you want it to go. That is literally it. If this quick guide helped you set up a secure entry point for your site, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to create a members-only dashboard next, and I will see you in the next video.